Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your display name on Twitch. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Before we get too far into it, I do want to mention that your display name is technically linked to your username. In today's video, we will not be going over how to change your username. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description down below, and I'll also pin a comment where you can check out a video on how to do that. So if you want to completely change your display name to something else, you will have to change your username. So the first thing you need to do is open up Twitch. I'm on the homepage right now, and you need to make sure you're already logged in. In this case, from that point, we're going to be clicking on our face on the top right, and we're going to be coming to the settings option right here. Once this opens up, we'll first be brought to the profile tab, where we'll get some basic information about our Twitch profile, and just below this, we'll have the option for display name. So in this case, the way Twitch works, you can't actually change your display name, like fully change it. However, you can change the capitalization of it in this case. So as you can see right now, my name is Scoby125, but everything is in lowercase after the S. In this case, what we can do is change everything to uppercase and then save the changes. So we are kind of limited in what we can do here. However, we were able to change the capitalization, so you can play around with some things and still make things legible on the long term. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to change your display name on Twitch. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.